In this video, I will show you how to make a carbon fiber minimalist wallet. The first step is to pick up some carbon fiber. In this, I'm using 2 pieces of 0.5mm twill weave carbon fiber. Then you can pick up this template in the description. You'll need to print it out and cut it out so that we can trace it onto the carbon fiber. After you've cut it out, line up the bottom corner with the corner of the carbon fiber to minimize the cutting we will need to do. Then use a Sharpie to mark all the way around it. Repeat the process on the other piece of carbon fiber. Next, you will need a pair of tin snips to cut the shape. Using tin snips will work great for 0.5mm carbon fiber. However, I also did this with 1mm and needed a Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel to cut it efficiently. After you get the rough shape cut, then get a file to finalize the shape. Then get some 800 grit sandpaper to remove the rough finish on the edges and on the back of the carbon fiber. At this point, you can see a rough approximation of what it will end up looking like. After doing the same process to the other piece of carbon fiber, you'll need to get some 1-inch elastic. When measuring the length of elastic that you need, stretch it slightly to make sure it's a tight fit when we're finished. Then mark with a Sharpie and cut off. Now before you spend a bunch of time sewing it together, check one more time and make sure that it will fit. It should need to be stretched slightly to overlap. Then grab a needle and some thread and sew the two ends together. Finally, slide the elastic strap over into the notches we cut on both the top and the bottom of the wallet. I've been using this wallet for a while now, and I love it because it's so thin and can hold all the cards and cash I need. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.